Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be having fun drawing, coloring, and creating a beautiful unicorn. We are also going to learn a little bit more about primary colors, secondary colors, and complementary colors. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun videos like this. We're going to start off by placing your piece of paper in the horizontal landscape position and dividing it into 4 equal parts. After that, we're going to trace an oval at the bottom part of it and divide it in half as well. And then we're going to begin including geometric shapes that are going to be the foundation for our work. And now it's time to start outlining our unicorn with curvy lines. Before we start coloring, it's time for us to talk a little bit about the color wheel. We're going to start off with the primary colors. They are yellow, blue, and red. And if we mix them together, we're going to get the secondary colors, green, purple, and orange. So let's begin coloring our already outlined unicorn with the primary colors. So now we're going to move on to using our primary colors to create our secondary colors. And this is how it's going to happen. If I want to create green, I'm going to mix yellow with blue. If I want to create orange, I'm going to mix yellow and red. And if I want to create purple, I'm going to mix red and blue. The best way to add shading is to mix complementary colors plus black. Complementary colors are the colors who sit across from each other as opposite colors in the color wheel. The opposite color of yellow is purple and vice versa. The opposite color of blue is orange and vice versa. And the opposite color of red is green and vice versa. If we wanted to add shading to the color red, we will look for the opposite color of red in the color wheel, which is green, and then we will start shading the red color with green plus black, and the result could look like this. We are now going to repeat the process for all the other colors, and if you also want to add highlights or lighter areas, simply add white. And that's all for today, everyone. I hope you had a good time creating your own unicorn, and I also hope that you had an opportunity to learn a little bit more about the color wheel, the primary, secondary, and complementary colors. I look forward to our next video and our next art activity. And remember, practice makes perfect, so keep on drawing, keep on learning.